Today we got a 2010 Dodge Journey 3.5 liter front wheel drive V6, and we're doing a motor swap today. You're here with Johnson & Jones. Johnson has been HOOD certified since '97, and Jones has been HOOD certified since '07. First thing you want to do is turn the camera right. You want to take the front clip off right here. You have 4 10mm bolts right here. Right there, right there, right there. Then also you want to come to the side. You got 2 right here. You got 2 7mm bolts for the front bumper part itself. And then I got to disconnect the fog lights from it, and then the whole bumper just comes right on off right there. And I just got to disconnect the fog lights right there. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to take the whole front clip off so we can take the motor out and everything. Waiting on Johnson to get here. I just started early, so we'll update y'all with a second video soon.